mix up in a drama. They chatty blah blah, messing with my karma.
Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is keeping well. So this is part one in a two-part series where I'm going to be taking my car up to stage 2. So in this part one, we're just going to be dealing with the hardware. So I'm going to be installing something onto the car, and this is probably my favourite mod I've done to the car so far, so that really says something. Stage 2 should get me up to about 270 horsepower, and I don't think the torque increases from stage 1. I think you have to go to stage 2 plus to get that torque increase. Anyway, so this is part 1, all about hardware. Part 2, the car's booked into EcoTune and we're going to get it tuned up. Okay, so let's just get into installing the Ramair intake that I kind of teased at the beginning of the video, so let's get into that. The Ramair ready to install. This is my current setup. I've just got the standard airbox, and I've got the sort of carbon intake part there. Yeah, I'll be happy to see this go anyway. I'll do some sound tests for you. Okay, so that's the Ramair system installed, and this is probably my favourite mod. It sounds insane. Let the road open up a bit and I'll give you a sound test of this. It's like a dump valve of air. Listen. That's just second gear there. It's so good. But the reason this is my favourite mod is it's added so much character to the car, and it's just so much fun. It's like added a wee bit of, it's not necessarily done anything to the car yet in terms of speed or torque or horsepower, because it needs to be mapped in to really get any gain out of it, but it's just it's added some character to the car. Anyway, just listen to this. The road's going to open up here. I'm just going to go in the right lane. Listen to that, man, that is insane. I don't want to be speeding, but that's fun. It's added something to the car, man. I'm just putting my foot on and off just for the noise. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Let's go 4th gear. Wait. Oh man, that's so much fun. This is it's my favourite mod. I'm just gonna say it now. It's my favourite mod. Oh, it's so addictive. It's added a lot of character to the car. I'll be honest though, it's not for everyone because it is quite loud and you might find it annoying. It's just so much fun, and I think that's what you want with the hot hatch. You want something fun, and yeah, I'm happy that I've done it. I kind of refrained all this time from doing it, but I'm happy that I installed it. And when I get the car mapped up in part 2, the car is going to be even faster, and that'll be me up to stage 2 by the end of part 2. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I will be going for stage 2 plus. So I was talking to EcoTune and they're saying that once you've got stage 2, the map up to stage 2 plus is free anyway. So all I'll have to do is just get that extra hardware, so it's just a matter of time. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to see part 2, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up, hit me up in the comments, and yeah, make sure you check out Ramair as well, because this is a special system. Oh man, do you know what? Keep watching. I'm gonna get another pull for you guys. Just listen to that. Anyway, I'll see you guys for the next video, and peace.